So, ayan, no? So, again, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Meron akong i-share na opportunity sa inyo this afternoon. Okay, napakagandang opportunity na ginagawa po namin right now, no? So, share ko na lang din po ito sa inyo. If ikaw naghahanap ka po ng extra income, additional income, part-time, sideline, so napakaganda po ng opportunity na maririnig nyo this afternoon. Kasi all walks of life po, pwedeng-pwede nyo po itong gawin. Okay? If ikaw nag-aaral ka, nagtratrabaho, nagnenegosyo, tambay ka man, pwedeng-pwede nyo pong gawin si Seacrest as long as willing and interested po kayo. Okay? So, ayan. So, welcome po sa mga pumapasok po sa Zoom affiliate discussion natin this. At ito yung opportunity na i-share ko po sa inyo this afternoon. So, ang pangalan po ng company natin guys is Seacrest. Okay? Now, before ko po i-discuss sa inyo si Seacrest, magpapakilala po muna ako sa inyo. By the way, I am Kyra T. Salonga, one of the affiliate po dito sa Seacrest. So I'm from Mindanao, but right now andito ako sa Cebu since I'm doing business. So 3 taon na din po ako dito sa Cebu, and itong Seacrest for itong opportunity na i-share ko po sa inyo this afternoon is ginagawa ko po itong full-time. Ibig sabihin, wala po akong ibang pinagkakaabalahan kundi Seacrest lang, okay? So, I'm an online marketer and entrepreneur. So, yan po yung pinagkakaabalahan ko right now, okay? So, now, ano po ba yung Seacrest, no? Ano ba yung opportunity na gustong kong i-share sa inyo? We are first seaweed-based company combining a subscription income model with dropshipping and affiliate marketing. So, tinatawag po si Seacrest as hybrid system. Kasi inisa po dito yung subscription na model, dropshipping, and affiliate marketing. Now, dito, pwede kang kumita through product sales and commission bonuses. So, eto no, familiar po kayo sa affiliate marketing. For sure, familiar po kayo, tama? So, if-familiar po kayo sa TikTok, Shopee, Lazada, sila po yung mga affiliate platforms na alam po natin, no? Kung napapansin po natin sa TikTok, napakataas po ng competition kasi halos lahat po doon gustong maging affiliate. But before po kayo maging affiliate po kasi sa TikTok, guys, kailangan nyo po ng engagement. You need to create your own content para po makuha nyo po yung attention ng mga potential customers nyo. And also, 5% to 30% lang yung pwede mong kitain from online buyers. While dito naman po kay Seacrest, guys, no, just by promoting our products and our company, you can earn 30% to 50% from online buyers, and also beginner-friendly po siya. So if first time mo po maging affiliate, so this is the perfect opportunity or this is the perfect company for you. And also unsaturated po yung market. Pag sinabi po nating unsaturated yung market, even yung mga kapitbahay, kamag-anak nyo, kapamilya, katrabaho nyo, hindi pa po alam si Seacrest. Ganyan pa po kaganda yung market na meron po yung company natin. And also, provided din po ng company yung personal shop link, and we have free marketing tools. Okay? Hindi na po tayo mamomoblema kung ano po yung ipopost natin para po makapag-market po tayo ng products and ng company po natin. Okay? So next naman po is dropshipping system. So alam po natin guys, pag sinabi po nating dropshipping system, halos lahat po dito na nagda-dropshipping, as long as nasa tamang business or nasa tamang company, kumikita talaga ng malalaki. Tama? So now, in-apply din po yung dropshipping system dito po kay Seacrest, which is the good thing po dito sa dropshipping system sa Seacrest is no transaction fees on sales. And also, company covered po yung inventory. So, hindi na po kayo mamomoblema kung gaano man kadami yung nabebenta nyo everyday, company na po bahala sa inventory. And we have our partnered logistics, okay? So, company na din po lahat yan, mag-provide niyan, okay? Next naman po, si Seacrest is isang subscription-based model, okay? If familiar po kayo sa Netflix, Disney Plus, Spotify, Apple Pay, sila po yung mga subscription company na tinatangkilik natin, no? Nagsasubscribe po tayo dyan. But now, Ano ba yung meron sa ganitong subscription? Diyan po kasi guys, no, yung mga services po na ino-offer nila is digital content. Ibig sabihin, hindi po natin nahahawakan yung mga services nila. And also, zero revenue siya. Pag sinabi nating zero revenue, wala po tayong kinikita dyan. And next, short term lang po yung benefits niyan and dumadagdag lang po siya sa ginagastos po natin every day or every month. Kasi every time you pay your subscription, dumadagdag lang po yung ginagastos natin. While dito naman po kay Seacrest, guys, si Seacrest po is isang subscription-based model din. But the good thing here po kay Seacrest, guys, no, we have tangible essentials or we have tangible products. And aside from that, meron din po tayong digital content, okay? Or digital services. So, provided po ng company yung mga free website natin. And also, income generating system siya. Pag sinabi nating income generating system, every time we pay our subscription every month, kumikita po tayo. Kasi this is the only subscription company here in the Philippines na binabayaran po tayo every time na nagsasubscribe po tayo. And also, long-term benefit siya. Kasi yung mga nagsasubscribe po dito kay Seacrest, guys, no, na-enjoy po nila yung pagsasubscribe kasi may nakukuha din po silang tangible products, okay? And next is traditional business to Seacrest, okay? Pag sinabi nating traditional business, guys, lahat po tayo, lahat ng mga Filipino, dream business po natin ang makapagpatayo ng traditional business. Sari-sari store, dami po tayong mga naiisip na traditional business. Pero now, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, no, meron po ba kayong enough money or enough fund para makapagpatayo ng traditional business? That's why kung napapansin po natin dito sa Pilipinas, guys, no, mas madami po yung nagtratrabaho compare po sa nagnenegosyo. Kasi halos lahat po, wala din pang startup or wala pong pangpuhunan. So dito naman po kay Seacrest, guys, no, in-apply din po natin yung traditional business which you can sell our product. So dito, the good thing here, guys, no, kay Seacrest is ika-clarify ko lang po sa inyo na this is not a investment company. Negosyo po si Seacrest. Since negosyo po siya, maglalabas pa rin po tayo ng puhunan. Pero sa maliit na halaga lang, low startup cost, and no inventory needed, and also highly scalable siya. Pag sinabing highly scalable, guys, nasa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, or nasa ibang bansa ka man, pwede mo pa rin gawin si Seacrest. And also, we have drop shipping. And aside sa pagpebenta ng product natin, you can earn through commission and bonuses. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-stock ng mga products gaya ng sa traditional business. So, lastly, guys, is traditional networking business to Seacrest. Okay? So dito guys, no, sa traditional business compared to Seacrest, hindi siya yung pangkaraniwang na networking. 'Di ba? Pag sinabi kasi nating networking, guys, usually yung mga tao negative na sa networking eh. Pag dito kasi sa networking or sa traditional networking, para makapag-start ka, kailangan mo ng malaking puhunan pa rin. Para makapag-start ka. And also, if you have orders sa labas or malalayo, ikaw pa magpapak, mag-ship, magde-deliver. And also, minsan, 'di ba, kailangan pa natin i-shoulder yung shipping fee para mayroon lang po tayong maibenta ng mga products. Kasi usually sa traditional networking business, guys, overpriced po yung mga products. While dito naman po kay Seacrest, guys, no, low cost entry siya, company covered po yung shipping. So, free shipping po tayo nationwide sa lahat po ng mga packages na i-avail po ng mga affiliates po natin. And also, tools are provided by the company. Marketing tools, lahat po yan binibigay na po ng company. That's why, guys, si Seacrest po is tinatawag po hybrid system. Kasi inisa po dito yung traditional networking business, affiliate marketing, subscription business, and dropshipping system. So now, guys, no, kailan ba nag-start si Seacrest? So, nag-start po tayo or nag-grand launching po tayo noong September 17, 2024. Literal na we are in a pioneering stage. Kaka-start pa lang po talaga ng company natin. And also, guys, no, in terms of legalities, all papers kompleto po tayo. We are SEC registered. Rehistrado po tayo sa BIR, FDA approved po yung mga produkto natin and complete permits po tayo. And dito naman po guys, no, kahit kaka-start pa lang po ng company natin, no, nagbigay na po yung company natin ng tour incentives. So this is the first batch po ng tour incentives, all expense paid by the company papunta po sa Boracay. So ito guys, no, once na qualify po kayo sa tour incentives na binibigay po ni Seacrest, ni Piso, wala po kayong babayaran or gagastusin. So ito siya guys, no, sa Boracay po ito. Skip ko na lang, no? So, this is the proof of payout, weekly and monthly. So, dito sa weekly and monthly payout po natin, guys, kung nakikita nyo, merong mga affiliate na kumita ng 7,000, 2,000, 34,000, 27,000, 16,000, 8,000. Iba-iba po yung amount ng kinikita. Nakadepende po kasi yan, guys, kung gaano po kayo kasipag mag-promote din po dito sa company natin. So, every kailan po yung payout dito sa company natin? Weekly and monthly. Yung weekly income po natin, guys, is every Thursday, and yung monthly po natin every first Thursday of the month. So, if you have GCash, much better po siya kasi napaka-convenient po. Automatic, pag withdraw mo, papasok po yan sa GCash mo. And if wala ka namang GCash, just provide your preferred bank, automatic papasok din po yan every Thursday yung payout mo. And because of our proven and tested system dito kay Seacrest, guys, we onboarded 1,000 plus pioneering affiliates since official launching ng company natin. And actually, no, this is the testimonies na napakaganda ng sistema na meron po yung company natin. So this is Sir Ace Cabonce. He earned 94,000 for the month of October. So he is a back-to-back millionaire earner in a different companies before. And also, this is Sir Edmar Torculas. He earned 78,000 for the month of October. So he is a sales agent and online marketer from Cebu City. And also, Sir Jericho Irinco, no? Former corporate employee and entrepreneur from Bicol, kumita ng 188,000 for the month of October. So, eto, 182,000, Sir Demi Cebuan. He is an influencer and online marketer from Manila. And also, even a licensed professional teacher, guys, no? Kumikita din po dito, no? Ginagawa lang po ito ni Sir John Mark as part-time. So, kumita pa rin po siya ng 40,000 for the month of October. And even a public vehicle driver, Sir Arnel De Vela, he earned 19,000 for the month of October. No? And even a government employee from South Cotabato, from Mindanao, kumita po ng 51,000. He is Sir Alexander Parcon. So this is the proof, guys, no, na itong business po natin, itong si Seacrest, guys, no, is pwedeng-pwede po siya sa lahat. Kahit ano man yung background mo, ano mo yung ginagawa mo right now, pwedeng-pwede mong gawin si Seacrest. So, bakit po ba seaweed? Baka curious kayo, bakit ba seaweed yung naging product po natin dito kay Seacrest? Okay? So, yung seaweed po kasi, guys, no, is meron po siyang 93 plus bioavailable nutrients. Ganyan po siya ka-powerful. And also, si seaweed po, guys, is considered siya as superfood. Kasi mas powerful pa po ito sa spirulina, barley, mangosteen, and madami pa pong iba. Kung napapansin nyo, guys, even the mangosteen, napakasikat po dito sa Philippines. And even the barley. Kung iisipin natin, guys, yung barley, kinukuha pa po natin sa ibang bansa, but still tinatangkilik pa rin natin. Ang seaweed kasi, guys, no, we are top 3 exporter po ng seaweed sa buong mundo, pero hindi lang po talaga siya nabigyan ng pansin dito sa Philippines, or hindi lang po tayo na fully educate about seaweed. That's why, yun yung naging advocacy ng company is to help the farmers and to help us, no, na malaman po natin yung health benefits na nakukuha po natin sa seaweeds. And even yung mga Southeast Asian countries, guys, no, ang ginagawa po nila, since we are top 3 exporter po ng seaweed sa buong mundo or globally, ini-import po nila yung seaweed sa atin, then ginagawa po nila itong skincare, cosmetics, gamot, and marami pa pong iba. And even yung mga doctor po sa US, in-encourage po yung mga tao na kumain po ng seaweeds everyday.
海藻也能消肿散结，这是真的吗？
This is why you should
大家
have
好，我是
seaweed
北京
every
公立三甲医院广安门医
day.
院
This
的
is why you
So, now guys, no, we focus on the 3 aspects. Na focus on health, beauty, and wellness. And we have 3 initial line of products. We have lotion, chips, and whitening soap. So, first product na i-share ko po sa inyo, the crispy seaweed chips. So, we have 5 flavor. We have original, spicy cheese, sour cream, and barbecue. So, ang crispy seaweed chips natin guys, 100% natural seaweed po siya. Ang ginamit po dito is Himalayan salt, the healthiest salt on earth. And the good thing here guys, napaka-healthy po ng chips natin kasi wala pong preservatives na nilagay dito. That's why even mga bata, pwedeng-pwede po nila itong kainin. And next product naman po natin guys is the Skin Whitening Soap. Yung soap natin guys, no, hindi siya yung pangkaraniwang soap na nakikita natin sa market. Ang ginamit po dito is kelp seaweed. Pag sinabi po nating kelp seaweed guys, ginagamit po talaga ito for skincare, for cosmetics. Ganyan po siya kaganda sa skin. And pag sinabi po nating seaweed, meron po itong natural form of moisturizer. That's why pag ginamit po natin yung Skin Whitening Soap, aside po sa nakakaputi po siya, na mo-moisturize niya din po yung skin natin. And if yung problem mo po dito, dark spots, uneven skin tone, pigmentation, so napakaganda po ng sabon natin. So that's why you should try our product, no? So napakaganda po na i-promote po natin yung product natin kasi we are first in the Philippine market na nagbebenta po ng seaweed-infused product. Wala po tayong competitors. So this is Ma'am Candice, one of the testimony kung gaano kaganda yung product po natin or yung sabon po natin. So next naman, the Skin Whitening Lotion. Yung lotion naman po natin guys, no, ang ginamit din po dito is kelp seaweed. Ang napakaganda naman po dito is meron po itong SPF 60 PA++. Napakataas po ng sun protection nito. So meron din po itong mga powerful ingredients like niacinamide, salicylic acid, alpha-arbutin, and marami pa pong iba. Napakasulit po ng lotion po natin guys, no? 349 pesos yung SRP and 250 ml na po siya. Okay, hindi po siya malagkit sa balat and napakabango po ng lotion po natin. And isa po ako sa testimony kung gaano po kaganda yung lotion po natin. No? Kung napapansin nyo yung before and after ko guys, napakalayo. Okay? And this is the proof of transaction. Since nag-grand launching po yung company natin, guys, nakapagbenta na po tayo ng 6,000 to 10,000 products since nag-grand launching yung company natin. And this is the proof of transaction. Hindi po bumababa ng 50 parcels every day yung pinipick up ng courier dito sa company natin. So, yan. So, yan, no? Ninja Van, JNT, yan po yung mga partnered logistics natin right now. So, next, no? How to be an affiliate. For you to become an affiliate dito kay Seacrest, guys, all you have to do is mag-a-avail lang po kayo ng package or mag-a-avail lang po kayo ng bundle plan. So, the good thing here is meron po tayong tatlong package na pwede nyong pagpilian na nakadepende po sa budget nyo and at the same time, nakadepende po sa dami ng product na gusto nyo. Okay? So, we have standard package. So, the bundle plan is 2,996. And also, we have premium package. So, the bundle plan nito is 5,996. And last is the VIP package. That's 9,996. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito guys, no, yung 2,498 sa standard package, one-time payment lang po yan. Pag gusto nyo naman po maging premium account or premium package, isang beses lang din po kayo maglalabas ng 5,498 pesos. Now, if gusto nyo naman po mag-VIP, isang beses lang din po kayo maglalabas ng 9,498 pesos. One-time payment lang po yan lahat. Okay? So, ano ba yung benefit ng mga packages natin? Lifetime product discount. Lahat ng product na ilalabas ni Seacrest Zone discounted na po kay lifetime and no overhead expenses. So, dito napapasok yung dropshipping system natin na if ever meron po kayong buyers, yung company na po yung magpapack, mag-ship, magde-deliver, mag-prepare ng orders nyo, automatic yung income nyo po, pupunta po sa personal Seacrest account. Yung lahat po yan, transparent po yung company sa inyo. Okay? And we have our online store, guys, no? Na which is mas mapapabilis po yung pagmamarket, pag-promote po natin ng mga products ni Seacrest. And also, we have free trainings and seminars. Napakaganda nito guys kasi wala kayong babayaran sa mga trainings and seminars natin. We have weekly commission. So dito na po yung pagkakaiba ng mga packages natin. Sa dami po ng products and sa laki po ng commission. Sa standard package guys, no, you will get 2 pieces lotion, 2 pieces soap, and 2 pieces chips, okay? And every time po makakapag-refer ka or makakapag-enroll ka ng standard package, you will get commission na 750 pesos. Now, pag premium account ka, you will get 6 pieces lotion, 4 pieces soap, and 2 pieces seaweed chips. So, yung commission mo naman dito, pag nakapag-refer ka ng premium account is 1,650. So, pag VIP ka naman, guys, you will get 10 pieces lotion, 8 pieces soap, and 2 pieces crispy seaweed chips. So, yung commission mo naman nito is 2,850. Kung napapansin nyo dito, guys, no, the higher the package, the higher the income. So, dito naman papasok yung subscription-based model ni Seacrest, which is you just need to pay 498 pesos every month. Hindi po siya mandatory na magbayad po kayo ng subscription monthly. Nakadepende po yan sa inyo. But now, i-explain ko lang po sa inyo bakit napakaganda na mag-subscribe po kayo dito kay Seacrest. So once na-secure nyo po yung position nyo dito sa Seacrest or dito sa company natin, ma-activate nyo po yung higher compensation plan or mas malaki po yung pwede nyong kitain sa company natin. And aside sa you have your weekly income, possible ka pong magkaroon ng monthly passive income through your monthly subscription, okay? So dito guys, no, once nakapag-secure ka po yun ng position mo, nare-retain mo po yung position mo every month by paying 498 pesos every month, there's a chance na magkaroon ka ng monthly passive income. Kaya na-enjoy po ng mga subscribers po natin yung subscribe monthly kasi meron po silang nakukuhang product. You can choose anong product po yan. It's either 1 lotion, 2 soaps, or 2 chips. Pili lang po kayo. Okay? So, pili lang po kayo. So, now we have 6 ways to earn. Didiscuss ko na lang sa inyo isa-isa. So, yung first way of earning po natin is the retail commission. Here, you will get a lifetime discount for every product you buy. Example po nito yung sabon, lotion, and chips. The suggested retail price ng sabon natin is 179 pesos. Pag member ka na, 119 mo na lang siya mabibili automatic, meron kang profit na 60 pesos every time nakakabenta ka. Next, sa lotion naman po natin, 349 yung SRP. Pag member ka na or affiliate ka na, mabibili mo na lang to ng 249 pesos. Meron kang 100 pesos na profit every time nakakabenta ka. And last is the crispy seaweed chips. Yung chips naman po natin, guys, the suggested retail price is 149 pesos. Entitled ka po sa wholesale price once affiliate ka na. So, once affiliate ka na, guys, nag-avail ka ng wholesale price, makukuha mo na lang po ito ng 99 pesos each. Meron kang kikitain na 50 pesos each pack ng crispy seaweed chips natin. And the good thing here is wala po tayong quota. So, if you're not into selling, hindi po necessary na magbenta kayo or hindi po kailangan na gawin nyo po yung retail commission natin. The second way of earning is the product rebate. Dito guys, no, every time na bibili ka ng product, meron kang makukuha na 5% or merong ibibigay yung company sa'yo na 5% para po siyang cashback. So dito, sa sabon guys, 5.95, sa lotion, 12.45, and sa chips naman po natin, 247.5. And this is your monthly passive income. Bakit sinasabing monthly passive income? Kasi lahat po ng product na binibili mo kay Seacrest, every day or within a month, maiipon po yan siya, tsaka mo po siya makukuha every first Thursday of the month. So, we have wholesale price. Sa chips po natin, pag isa lang yung binili mo, 129. Pag 15 pieces, 115 mo na lang makukuha. Pag 30 pieces, 105. Pag 50 pieces, 99 pesos each na lang po siya. So, nakadepende po yung rebates nyo sa dami po ng product or chips na i-avail nyo or anong wholesale price ba yung i-avail nyo. So, sa product rebates po natin, guys, kung napapansin nyo po dito sa chart natin, meron po tayong mga iba't ibang position. Okay? Merong director, senior director, executive director. Once kaka-join mo pa lang, guys, no, yung rank mo is director. So, entitled ka lang sa level 1, which is the 5%. Pag ikaw bumibili ng product, meron kang 5%. Now, pag naging senior director ka, meron kang na-refer na 2 tao. That's why naging senior director ka. Ngayon, pag yung 2 tao na na-refer mo, malakas magbenta, malakas bumili ng product, lahat ng binibili niyang product dito kay Seacrest, guys, meron kang kikitaing 3%. Okay? So, pag naging executive director ka na naman, ma-unlock again yung level 3 which you will get another 2%. Basically, guys, every time po na na-promote kayo, lumalalim and lumalaki po yung level na naaabot ng rank nyo or lumalaki din po yung percentage ng pwede nyong kitain kay Seacrest up to 19% pag naging presidential director kayo. So, pangatlo naman po natin is the Fast Start Commission. Dito guys, no, you will get 30% commission from every affiliate sign-up purchase. Take note po dito guys, no, hindi po necessary na mag-invite po kayo. Nakadepende po yan sa inyo kung mag-i-invite po kayo or hindi, okay? Pero pag nag-invite po kayo guys, meron po kayong commission na makukuha. Example po nito, pag nakapag-refer ka po ng standard package, you will earn 750 pesos. Pag nakapag-refer ka ng premium account, you will earn 1,650. Pag nakapag-refer ka naman ng VIP, you will earn 2,850. Nakadepende po sa package na i-avail po ng clients nyo. So, no limit. You can enroll as many as you can. So, what if makapag-onboard ka ng tatlong VIP? So, automatic, you will earn 8,550. Para ka lang nag-ROI na dito, return of investment ka na po dito. So, paano nag-work yung Fast Start Commission natin? Since kaka-join mo pa lang yung rank mo is director. So, pag ikaw nakapag-refer, which is ikaw mismo the level 1, meron kang kikitain 2,850. Pag naging senior director ka naman, ma-unlock yung level 2 mo, which is pag nakapag-refer po yung level 1 mo, meron kang kikitain 10% or 949 pesos. Pag naging executive director ka na, ma-unlock yung 4th level, okay? Hanggang 4th level, which is 5% po yan siya hanggang 10th level. So, pag naging national director ka, ma-unlock up to 6th level. Pag naging corporate director ka, ma-unlock up to 8th level. And pag naging presidential director ka, which is the highest rank dito kay Seacrest, meron kang kikitain hanggang 10th level, okay? Up to 80% po yung pwede nating kitain sa Fast Start Commission dito kay Seacrest. So, paano ba ma-promote? Nakadepende po since naka-point system po tayo. So, if you want na maging senior director from director, you just need one direct or one VIP package na direct, automatic, you automatic senior director ka na. Pag executive director ka naman, you just need 3 direct and 20 active members, automatic executive director ka na. So, actually guys, no, hanggang global director po ito. Once naging affiliate po kayo, maintindihan nyo po yung promotion po natin, okay? So now, pang-apat naman po natin is the monthly commission, which is the subscription bonus. So dito papasok yung monthly passive income. So you will get 2.5% commission from all the subscription from 10th up to 15th level. Paano ito nag-work? Example, this is you. So, lahat ng tao under sa matrix mo up to level 10 or up to level 15, as long as nasa matrix mo sila, meron kang kikitain sa kanila. Referral mo man sila or hindi, ikaw man nagpa-join sa kanila or hindi, as long as nasa matrix mo sila, meron kang kikitain 2.5%. Saan nanggaling yung 2.5%? Nanggaling yan siya sa 498 na subscription monthly. Yung 2.5% guys, equivalent po niyan is 12.45 pesos. Bakit sinasabi na pwede kang magkaroon ng monthly passive income? Kasi hindi po kailangan na magkaroon ka ng personally enrollee para magkaroon ka ng subscription. As long as nakapag-position ka po ng account mo sa matrix, nalalagyan ka ng tao under sa matrix mo, kikita at kikita ka monthly as long as naka-subscribe ka po. And dito po, naka-automated po yung positioning natin, which is, ang sequence po nito guys, lalagyan po muna yung left side, tsaka po lalagyan yung right side. Now, since puno na po yung first level mo, malalagyan ulit yung second level mo, which is lalagyan ulit yung left side, tsaka lalagyan yung right side, okay? So, example, lahat po ng pumapasok everyday dito kay Seacrest is spread po yan ng system evenly under sa matrix po natin. So, bakit sinabi kanina from 10th up to 15th level? Kasi pag director ka lang guys, entitled ka hanggang level 10, which is pag napuno mo po yung matrix mo up to level 10, your potential income monthly is 25,000. Pag naging senior director ka naman guys, hanggang level 11 naman siya, your potential income monthly is 50,000. Once naging executive director ka naman, entitled ka hanggang level 12. So, your potential income monthly, 101,000. So, basically, same pa rin po. Every time na umaakyat yung rank mo, lumalalim po yung level na naaabot ng rank mo and lumalaki din po yung kinikita mo, nakadepende po sa rank mo. So, example po nito, pag naging presidential director ka, ma-unlock mo hanggang level 15. So, your potential income monthly, pag naging presidential director ka and napuno mo po yung matrix mo, is 815,000. The good thing here, guys, no, we are in a pioneering stage. Kaka-start pa lang po ng company natin and we have 3,000 affiliates pa lang. Kaka 3,000 pa lang po natin. That's why napakaganda po na napaka-early pa po, no? Napakalaki pa po ng chance na lalaki talaga yung matrix natin. Okay? So, panglima naman po natin is the matching bonus. You will also get 50% of the subscription commission on everyone you enroll. So, lahat daw po ng personally enrolled mo dito kay Secret, meron kang makukuha na 50% sa subscription commission nila. Example po nito, on top of that na meron kang kikitain 50% sa kanila, meron ka ding sarili mong subscription bonus. Example, kumita ka ng 25,000 sa subscription income mo. And you have si friend A at saka si friend B kumita ng 10,000 and 25,000. Automatic, bibigyan ka ng company ng 50% sa subscription commission nila. Pag pinag-total po natin yan, guys, kumita ka ng 42,500. Okay? So, example po nito, what if apat yung na-refer mo? Yung apat mo na na-refer, guys, nagre-retain ng position, that's why kumita sila sa subscription commission nila. What if kumita sila ng 5,000, 4,000, 2,000, and 10,000? Now, since sila kumita na, automatic, you will get the 50%, which is you earn 10,500. Okay? Ito yung literal na bonus, guys. Wala kang ginawa. Nag-refer ka lang ng tao. Nagsasubscribe lang sila monthly. Maghanap ka lang ng subscribers mo monthly, guys. Automatic, meron kang 50% sa kinikita nila monthly. Okay? Ganyan po nag-work yung subscription bonus natin. So, if gusto mo mabilisan, gusto mong kumita ng malaki dito kay Secret, guys, mag-refer ka lang ng mag-refer or maghanap ka lang ng subscribers mo, automatic kikita ka at kikita ka po dito ng 50% sa kinikita nila. Okay? So, pang-anim naman po natin, guys, is the company sales share. Sa company sales share natin, guys, hindi siya annually, hindi siya quarterly, monthly po siya. Pag naging presidential director ka, you will receive 2% of the entire company gross income. Saan nanggaling yon? Nanggaling siya sa product sales, subscription sales, membership sales, and upgrade sales. Now, what if si Secrets kumita ng 15 million in just 1 month, okay? Since ikaw, presidential director ka na, you will receive 300,000 kasi yan yung 2% ng 15 million, okay? Pag ikaw lang mag-isa yung presidential director, solong-solo mo yan, okay? Pag tatlo naman kayo, i-divide lang po yan into 3. I-divide lang po yan sa dami po ng presidential director. But, ito yung good news ko sa inyo right now. Wala pa po tayong presidential director. That's why hindi pa po na-unlock yung company sales share natin. Malay nyo guys, no? Sa kinakausap ko sa inyo right now, baka nasa inyo pala yung kauna-unahang magiging presidential director natin dito sa company. So now guys, no, this is not your ordinary subscription-based company, okay? This is the only subscription company that pays you. Every time nagbabayad po tayo ng subscription, binabayaran din po tayo ng company. Yun po yung maganda dito kay Secrets, guys. So in terms naman po sa save money, no, you can save 35% up to 76% compared to branded product. To think guys na everyday naliligo po tayo, gumagamit po tayo ng sabon. Why not dito po kay Secrets guys, no? Aside sa na-enjoy mo po yung product, kumikita ka din po. So no product maintenance tayo. In terms sa convenience naman po, nationwide delivery available. You can order your products online and delivered via dropshipping. No selling required, no quota, online tools will be provided to get you started, and you can earn money. You can participate in the compensation plan and earn weekly and monthly based on your performance. So you can do Secrets anytime, anywhere. You can earn anytime, anywhere dito kay Secrets, okay? So that's why ganyan po siya ka-scalable. And in terms sa longevity naman po ng business natin, Yung vision po ng company natin is to help people earn money and have a passive recurring income. As long as nakasubscribe po kayo dito kay Secrets, guys, kikita at kikita po kayo. Okay? So, get your early retirement income here in Secrets, guys. Okay? So, why not start now, no? Why start now? Better to start now agad-agad, no? If ikaw naintindihan mo yung business, nagustuhan mo yung business, hopefully, no, makapag-decide po kayo agad or before po tayo mag-end ng presentation po natin. So, I'm so excited guys na makasama po kayo dito sa business natin and isa po ako sa tutulong sa inyo dito sa business guys. Kasi isipin nyo guys, gawin nyo man po si Secrets or hindi, maghahanap pa rin po kayo ng opportunity. If mag-decide man po kayo ng work guys, mag-exert pa rin po kayo ng effort. Same din naman sa gagawin nyo dito kay Secrets. But dito po kasi, once nag-exert po kayo ng effort dito sa Secrets, dito sa business po natin, compensated po yung nilalabas nyong effort. Kung ano yung effort na nilalabas mo, bayad po yan, okay? Kasi this is your own business. Now, if gusto mo venture out ng ibang business, so ang tanong ko nga sa inyo kanina, meron ka bang enough na puhunan para makapag-start ng negosyo? Now kasi guys, no, this is the perfect option. Binigyan na po kayo ng napakagandang opportunity which is pwede kayong makapagsimula sa maliit na puhunan. Nakadepende po yan sa budget nyo. Okay? So if ikaw gusto mong kumita dito kay Secrets, pwede ka makapagsimula dito sa maliit na halaga. That's why you decide dito po kay Secrets guys, no, halos lahat binigay na po sa atin. No, mag-promote ka lang, mag-advertise ka lang po ng business natin, maghahanap ka lang ng subscribers, maghahanap ka lang ng client, ako kakausap, ako magko-convince, ako magpre-present, ako sasagot ng tanong nila. Automatic, once nagustuhan po nila yung business, automatic yung income po papasok po sa account nyo. So after this orientation guys, make sure to message yung nakapag-refer po sa inyo dito para po makapag-start po tayo. Kasi sila po guys, no, meron po yan silang mga plano po sa inyo. Okay? And you can message me on Facebook, Kyra T. Salonga, para po ma-assist ko po kayo. Or if you need, if you have questions and clarifications, pwede ko po kayong tulungan or sagutin po natin yung mga katanungan nyo po dito sa business. Okay? So wala na po ba kayong questions and clarifications? So, if clear lang po sa inyo yung business, guys, if nagustuhan nyo po yung business, before tayo mag-end, ano po yung nagustuhan nyo? Yung product po ba or yung kitaan? Ayan, no? Thank you so much, everyone. Advance welcome po sa lahat po ng upcoming affiliates natin. Excited po ako na makasama po kayo dito and matulungan din po kayong kumita dito sa business natin. So, advance welcome, everyone, and God bless po.